Oh man, that's a bluebird. And there's bluebirds up in the crepe myrtle. Oh, wait, where's it?
Amber's in this yard, ain't she? Because I left the gate open down there.
Oh, bluebirds in the swamp. Oh no, another one's trying to get in. It's like, come on, your time is up, dude. I can't see him now, but the crepe myrtle. Oh, there's one. A bluebird. Beautiful male right there. That's a beautiful one. Wow. Ouch. Now there's a little titmouse in it. It's like, all you bluebirds have had your turn. So I think the bluebirds are gone now. Man, I've never seen that many bluebirds at one time. Betsy loves the birds. We sit out there a lot and watch them.
I thought I saw two bald eagles circling around. Where was I? Right over West Connect. At the West Connect baseball diamond right there. I could have swore it was two bald eagles circling around right there. They were up high and squawking. Because I stopped and rolled my window down.
There's a squirrel in the one feeder, munching out.
I see one back there in the crepe myrtle. On top of the feeder. Is that a bluebird? That crepe myrtle back there behind the chicken pen?
I can't see it. I don't know, but the bluebirds wanting to get back in the bird bath, and now the titmouse moved. Oh gosh. Oh. There's like 2 or 3 bluebirds in the bird bath right now. 2 of them splashing around, going to town. They're loving it. Aww. And some more are wanting to come in on the action. Look, they're sitting there. There's one sitting on the little statue. I was like, okay, I want in. All right, now there's another one fluttering, wanting to get in. Oh my goodness.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Ooh, ooh. Oops. Oops. Oops.
Now there's a bluebird in there and a titmouse going to
I don't
town.
want to taste my fingers. They're nasty. I got nasty hands. Look at my hands. No. Say paw paw. Paw paw. Paw paw. Paw paw. What?